guys, this is Lida from Hypnotech. Google sent us the new Pixel 3a XL. I'm really excited to open this box and see what's inside. Let's take a look. Alright, so let's take a look and see what we have inside. We've got our little welcome card. Google Pixel 3a is finally here. We have an offer for 1 month of free Google Fi service on your new Pixel 3a or Pixel 3a XL. We've got a Pop Sockets teampixel phone grip. Ooh, and we have the 3a XL case in this navy blue fabric. I had this fabric case on my Pixel 2 and Alex had one on his Pixel 3 as well. We're big fans of these cases. We also got a nice size teampixel tote bag right here. Very cool. And here we have the Pixel 3a XL itself. Very nice. Let's open this up. We have these tabs, very convenient. Don't need a knife or scissors anymore to open these boxes up. Ooh. All right, here we've got the 3a XL itself. Let's take a look. They got rid of the top notch. Polycarbonate feels a little different. We'll come back to this in a moment. Let's see what else is in the box. Here we have the usual SIM card remover, the user guide, stickers, warning stuff, etc. And then we have the charging cable, USB-C to USB-A adapter, and of course, the Type-C charging brick. Here we have the brand new Pixel 3a XL right next to the flagship Pixel 3 XL. Check out my full review of that phone in the link below. At first glance, they look almost exactly the same. In terms of build quality, they feel very, very similar. The 3a XL is made of polycarbonate instead of glass, making it slightly lighter in weight than the 3XL. Nevertheless, it feels very premium in the hand and surprisingly comparable to the 3XL. You'll also notice that they changed the color of the power buttons on the white version of the phones. The original 3XL had a mint color power button, while the new 3a XL has an orange accent instead. Both versions have volume rockers on the right-hand side of the device. You can also see side by side the Pixel 3 XL looks a little thinner to my eyes. The Pixel 3a XL has a nice round 6-inch screen, while the Pixel 3 XL has a slightly larger 6.3-inch screen. Both of them have 64 gigabytes of storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM. We can see that they got rid of that protruding notch that a lot of people were not a fan of in the 3 XL. This phone looks like a larger version of the Pixel 3 design with the same styled bezels. Also, interestingly enough, instead of using Corning Gorilla Glass 5 that was used on the flagships, the 3a uses Asahi's Dragon Trail glass. Additionally, while the flagship Pixels are IP68 water resistant, the 3a XL is not. On the bottom of this phone, we can see that the 3a XL has a bottom firing speaker neighboring the USB-C port in combination with the earpiece. This is a change from the 3XL, which has only the USB-C port since it has dual front-facing speakers. On top of these devices, the 3a XL has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is great, something you don't really see anymore in 2019. On the left-hand side of the 3a XL is relocated SIM card tray, which was located on the top of the flagship 3XL. The big potential deal breaker may very well be the performance. The Pixel 3a XL uses a relatively unknown mid-ranged Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 processor, which has not populated too many devices as of this phone's release. Testing this out as my daily driver will help answer whether this processor is effective enough for everyday use. The 3A XL also has a 3700 milliamp battery, which is slightly higher than the 3400 milliamp battery on the 3XL. Now that the phone is loaded up, it feels really smooth on first impression and identical to what you'd see in the Pixel 3 XL. I've been using the 3XL since launch day, and I can tell you it is very difficult to distinguish the experience right now. Of course, the 3A XL isn't bogged down by my apps yet, so the effectiveness should waver a bit in daily use from what you see right now. Your menus and user experience are just like the 3XL, and this is great if you're looking for a pure Pixel experience at closer to $100 than $1,000. Even the extra fluff features on the flagship Pixels like the digital well-being monitoring and the squeeze for assistant function make their way onto this phone. In terms of the display on the Pixel 3a XL, the budget price sacrifices come into play. With a G OLED display, this phone has a resolution of 2160 by 1080p. I'll have to watch some videos and play around with the phone a little more to judge the quality of this panel. Now, the biggest selling point of both phones is the camera, which I'll go more into detail when I do my full review. The 3A XL has a single lens 12 megapixel rear sensor, the same as the Pixel 3 XL. It's on the front side that you have some differentiation here. The 3A XL has only an 8 megapixel selfie sensor, whereas the 3 XL has dual 8 megapixel front cameras. Really similar otherwise. Considering the huge price difference, sacrificing a little of the selfie game seems worth it. I'm really excited to get in depth with it in my photo comparison video. One of the best features of the Pixel camera are its advanced software features like night sight, which is available as well on this budget Pixel. One final thing to note is that the 3A XL does not support wireless charging. For $479, this is shaping out to be a heavy contender for a spot in just about anyone's pocket. We'll know for sure very soon when my full review comes out in the coming weeks.
And that's it. Be sure to subscribe here, hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our videos, and check out our other videos right here. Until next time,